Boo. Yeah, hey, how you doing? I am cooking up some science because I found out about materials engineers and I thought, might as well give it a crack myself. Now, materials engineers are basically chemical chefs. They're going to mix all sorts of compounds together, yeah, need one of them, to come up with things like plastics and ceramics and metals. They know heaps about it. It's very exciting. Thought I might give it a crack myself. Let's see how I did. Joe! It's terrifying. Okay, well, I've clearly stuffed it up. I don't know what I'm doing, which is why I need to chat to somebody who does it for a living, find out more about it. Come on, mate. Of course, it's not just about making cool new substances. A material engineer gets to have a go at preparing systems for chemical designs, running a laboratory, and making sure that everything's done in a nice, safe way. This sounds pretty full on, so I'm here at Synergy to catch up with Martin and find out more. Martin!
How's it going, Han?
Yeah, great, mate. I want to find out what you do for a job. Can we have a chat somewhere?
Yeah, we've got a lab. Follow me.
A lab?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
So, Hounds, welcome to the lab.
Thanks, you got science coffee cups.
Don't drink out of it, please.
It smells weird. Anyway, look, you're a materials engineer.
Yep.
What is that? What do you do?
From my background, I'm a metallurgical engineer, so I mainly deal with the metals and the failures that occur from them. However, there's also ceramic engineers and polymer engineers.
Right, so ceramics are things like toilets?
Yes, and bricks.
And bricks, and polymers is, I'm guessing, plastics?
Yes.
All right, so the job is quite broad. You can work in many different areas.
Yep.
Great. So why is your career important?
It's important in the fact that if you want to maintain a power station, one must have someone that analyses thermal degradation of piping, as it can be dangerous once its life is consumed.
So parts that may break or fail that are made out of metal, you're the guy that goes, I know that metal's going to crack in a minute. Let's get it replaced. Okay.
With the right calculations, of course.
Oh, that is actually pretty cool. And so that's common across all areas of materials engineering?
It is indeed. Another aspect that I deal with is failure investigations, finding what the root cause of the failure is, and also the failure mechanisms that occur with it.
So when something goes wrong, you're the guy to call?
Yeah, pretty much.
Cool. Okay, so is it a challenging job?
It has its challenges and rewards. If you enjoy talking to people and engaging with other people, it's a brilliant job. If you have a bit of difficulty in that region, it might be slightly challenging. Nevertheless, still rewarding.
Okay, Martin, are you ready for the edge?
Yes, I am.
All right, it's just a beaker. Question number one, if I want to become a materials engineer like you, how do I get there?
4 years at uni, usually, and the first 3 years is a general engineering, and the 4th year, you usually specialise in what you want to do. That's one option as well. Let's go to TAFE, check out what they have from non-destructive testing background, and that potentially could be a way to get into materials engineering as well.
There's always a way, cool. Yep. Second question, what sort of person is going to really enjoy doing what you do and is going to be quite good at it as well?
You need to be able to communicate effectively, be it written or being able to talk properly to other people. They're the most important things of being an engineer, I guess, but also being able to understand people, because you are dealing with different stakeholders and different people with different personalities in the job. Yeah,
right, okay. And final question, if you could offer a piece of advice to somebody who's thinking about doing what you're doing right now, what would you tell them?
Have an open mind, always have an open mind. It's always good when people challenge you, so you see other people's perspectives as well.
Well, thank you so much for answering my questions.
Anytime, Hans.
Let's go get a coffee.
Oh, we'll get some proper coffee cups, yeah?
All right. Authorised by the Government of Western Australia, Perth.